No kitchen pantry? No problem. Grab an old bookshelf for this brilliant idea. Start by sanding. Next, add a coat of paint. After that, measure the length of the front and cut 4 pieces of wood that size. Then, measure the width and cut 4 pieces to fit with the others to make 2 frames. Next, drill pocket holes. Then, assemble your frames. After that, add a coat of stain or paint. Then, add 2 hinges to each frame. Following that, staple some chicken wire on the inside of the frame. Snip off the excess using pliers. Attach the frames to the bookshelf with the hinges. Next, mark, pre-drill, and add knobs. Place in your kitchen and add pantry items. This built-out pantry is a renter's dream. The cabinet would also be great in a bathroom, office, bedroom. The possibilities are endless. No room for spices? Try this! Grab a set of mason jars. Then glue the lids together. Next, add your spices. After that, drill the lids onto the bottom of your cabinets for easy access. I hope this inspires you to find hidden storage solutions all over your kitchen. See you in my next video!
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.